A very popular quote says, "Your calm mind is the ultimate weapon against challenges, so relax." Hi everyone, this is Sheetal, and today I'm back with another episode of Mindful Leadership on Leadership Talks with You. So there are different ways to practice mindfulness, but we need to see what actually resonates with us. So today in this video, I'll be sharing you the techniques of practicing mindfulness.
Now coming back to the techniques that I use. Breathing meditation. I know you must be thinking that you have tried it a lot many times, but it just does not work. But let me tell you what all we need to observe. Just sit down or lie down, whatever is comfortable, and be aware of your surroundings. For some time, just listen to the sounds around you. Feel the ground. Be aware of the room you are into or the garden. Observe how does it feel in this state. Does it feel good? Does it feel bad? Or you just feel secured? Just observe without any judgment. Now start observing your inhale and exhale. You may be distracted many times. You will have a flood of thoughts inside you, but that is totally okay. Just observe how you feel without judgment and just bring your attention back to inhale and exhale process. It's just as simple as that. The second technique that I use is body visualization. Now, how do we do this? Sit down or lie down in a comfortable position and just be relaxed. Bring your attention to the crown of your head. Now slowly bringing your attention to face, your eyes, your nose, your lips, your chin, your neck. Just feel your body. Now shoulder, your upper arms, your lower arms, your hands, fingers, your chest, your abdomen, the front thighs, knees, lower part of your leg, your foot, your fingers, the back of the foot, back of your calves, back of the shoulders, back of the neck, and back to your crown. Now this exercise has to be done very slowly. Just visualize each part of your body. You can imagine any color you like I used to do it with orange color or lavender. Now this is a beautiful exercise you can practice, and slowly it will make you more aware. Now what will happen when you continue to practice all this is that you will be more aware of yourself. You will be more conscious about your emotions. You will be empathetic towards others. You will end up creating more meaningful relations with your customers, your teammates, your seniors, everyone around you, because slowly you will be much more calmer, more at peace within yourself. And now you actually understand them. Now you actually mindfully listen to them. Now you are actually living in the present moment.
So this was all from the today's video, and now I'm going to come up with more interesting things about mindful leadership. So keep watching and do subscribe to my channel, Leadership Talks with You. Bye bye.